Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorer.com. In this video I'll be discussing about cookies. Okay, so what is cookies? Cookies are nothing but which stores the information. Okay, these cookies are one which are stored on your browser by the web servers. Okay, the web servers are the one which stores the cookies on your browsers, so that the next time you log on to the site you will be identified by the web server. Okay, so that you don't need to log in every time. You might have seen on Facebook, like I'll show you that, and twitter.com. Here when I have seen here, keep me logged in says that remember me. It's nothing but remember me. That is, you'll be enabling the cookies on the browser. Okay, and you can see that on Twitter also. Here you have the tab checkbox called as remember me. That is nothing but if you want to enable the cookies on your browser. Okay, indirectly it says like that. Okay, and suppose if you didn't check that out, and your login and logout session will be handled by the sessions. Okay, you'll be using the session variables and all. So these are the two ways where you track your login and logouts. Okay, and if you use this cookies, and by the next time you enter into the website you don't need to enter this username and password, right? Because already the web server knows you, since it has stored your cookie on your browser. Okay, so talking about cookies now, let us quickly start the cookies. Okay, so here let me do that. So first I have created a here cookies.php here, and in my php tag I'll be starting the cookie. To set the cookie, you write the cookie function called set cookie function, and in this set cookie function you will be writing the username, and let it be explore all, and next username explore all. Okay, let me delete this. And third column is time. So what is this time? So the time specifies how much time must your cookie must be enabled on the browser. Okay, for that I'll be taking a variable called expire time, and here I'll be using this time function. Okay, what is this time function is? Time function is built-in time function, Unix time span. Okay, and suppose I want to enable the cookie for 2 hours, I'll be writing here 200 to 7200 seconds. Okay, I'll click that, and now you just go and replace the time with the expire time variable. Okay, expire time, perfect. And now I'll just save this and run explorer.com/cookies.php. So I didn't get anything, so my cookie is enabled on the browser now. Okay, let's check that. Now I'll be echoing the cookie. How to do that? You have to echo this cookie variable, cookie username. So I'll just save that and I'll run this. See here, I got explore all, so my cookie is enabled and I'm getting the values here. Okay, now how to, suppose if I want to create another cookie name, you have the privilege to do that. Suppose you want to create another cookie called set cookie, what do you want, web name. Okay, I'll be writing here Sadhana, and here I'll be writing dollar time. I'll be writing the same time. Okay, expire time. I'll be using the same variable for this, and now suppose you think that I want to enable this cookie also, just save that. It's just saving, and when it is saved you just go for the URL and just reload that. See, I got nothing, so my second cookie is enabled. Let me check that whether it is echoing or not. With cookie, what is that? It is called as web name, right? Web name. Okay, and just save this and go here, execute. You'll be getting Sadhana, right? So you can enable any number of cookies you want. And now suppose that I want to delete this, unset this cookie. So how to do that? You can just unset the cookies by writing something like this. In the same way, you can unset the cookie in the same way which you have created. I'll show you that. Set cookie. Suppose I want to delete the cookie username. Okay, username, and I'll be writing here username, and I left this as blank, and I want the timestamp. So here the timestamp must be unsetted to different variable. I'll be using this expire, and my timestamp now I should, since I have to delete that, for 2 days, right? Since I have set it for 2 days, now I have to delete that for 2 days. So here my variable name will be $expire. Just close this, and now you go and execute this. What happens, let us see. Okay, so nothing, I got nothing. Now if I echo this username cookie, I should not get that. I'll check that whether the cookie is disabled or not, really disabled or not. Echo $cookie, my username, right? Username. Okay, now my output should not come explore all, because since I disabled that cookie, I should not get again the output as user or explore all. Okay, let us see that whether I have successfully disabled the cookie explore all, that is username, or not. I'll just go that. Sorry. See, yes, I have successfully disabled the cookie explore all. Okay, that is username explore all. Okay, and you can just check that your another cookie is still enabled. You just go and click web name here and save that, and you just see, you'll get the output as Sadhana. See here, I got the Sadhana. So my Sadhana cookie is enabled in my browser. And apart from this, you will also be having, if you want to check that is your cookie is enabled or not, you can just write a function, isSet function, by using this if isSet of set cookie if isSet of $cookie of let us say username. Okay, since my username cookie is disabled now, I am going to check that. Okay, echo cookie is set. Okay, I'll be using this. If this condition fails, what I have to, in my else part, I have to write that my cookie is disabled, right? Echo cookie is disabled. So now what should I get this output when I execute it? Since I'm checking that cookie of username, I already deleted the username. Now I should get the output as cookie is disabled. Let's check that. Cookies.php. So my cookie is disabled. I got the information cookie is disabled. Since I have just echoed this one, I got their sadhana. Okay, now I just save that, and now see, I'll get the output as cookie is disabled, right? So now you see, check this web name, you'll get the output as cookie is enabled. Okay, see, cookie is set. So this is about cookies. Okay, so summing up, cookies are nothing but which stores the information on your browser, and it identifies you when the next time you log in on the site. Okay, this is about cookies, guys. I hope you all understood well. Take care, keep supporting explore.com, and I am with you always for your future. Take care, guys. Bye bye.